This is Prince Chaudhary reporting live from just behind the Khadki railway station near Montfort Society. As you can see here, the whole road has been dug up and it's created a huge traffic jam, traffic congestion, because the left side of the road going towards Khadki railway station is completely blocked, is dug up. Traffic has come to a standstill. School buses are unable to pass each other because the carriageway on the right hand side has been dug up, and apparently no permission has been taken from the PMC. Complete traffic chaos. The entire left hand side now going towards Khadki railway station has been dug up. Excavation work is being carried on for laying of water pipelines. Whether PMC permission has been granted is not very clear. The entire left side is excavated. This is creating a huge traffic congestion, blocking the smooth flow of vehicles. Motorists and two-wheelers are facing difficulty in commuting. As you can see, school buses and vehicles, motorists are unable to pass one another as one side of the carriageway excavation work is going on. All motorists are facing an issue. School buses, autos, public vehicles, everything has been blocked. So as you can see now, the JCP is on the right hand side in the excavated area. Trucks, tempos have to go on reverse to allow the carriageway side which comes in from Khadki stations. There's a huge traffic congestion, creating a lot of inconvenience for all commuters, motorists, bikers, three-wheelers, tempos, trucks. Everybody is inconvenienced. Such excavation activity should ideally have been done before the monsoons, as during the monsoons the traffic slows down anyways. Potholes and craters surface all over the city. This just adds to the woes of the commuters. Cement machines, concrete machines are also using the road for the concreting work. Two-wheelers, three-wheelers, four-wheelers, everybody is inconvenienced with this work which has been going on for the past few months. कब से चल रहा है?
1 महीने से।
1 महीने से। आपको दिक्कत होता रहेगा
बहुत दिक्कत होती, देखो ना बड़ा गाड़ियाँ कैसे जाती है।
बराबर।
स्कूल के टाइमिंग में टाइमिंग मिलता नहीं, जब अभी इतना लेट होता है।
बराबर।
ये टाइमिंग ही क्या है?
Digging work is being carried out, excavation work. I had a massive fall just now because I misjudged the cement. Traffic has come to a complete stop. A JCP machine coming from Khadki railway station side has again caused a huge traffic jam. The school buses are unable to go forward. Sir, ये कब से चल रहा है ये काम?
अरे 1 साल हो गए।
PMC का परमिशन है क्या?
क्या मालूम, 1 साल होगा ये काम को।
पूरा ट्रैफिक आपके जो
आहे का नाही, 1 साल 1 वर्ष झाला असेल याला।
huge traffic issues. Smile.
Cheese!
A huge traffic issue, like I mentioned. Locals are trying to allow traffic movement, smooth flow of traffic. Very difficult situation. Imagine in torrential rains and during night time, what the situation must be. People can get stuck here for hours. Local residents are saying that this has been going on for more than 6-8 months and a year. Still the work is not complete. And nobody knows if PMC has given permission for this kind of work, especially in the monsoons, when there is a traffic issue everywhere all over the city. This is Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror.